Let me ask you something. You are knocking out projects, keeping crews busy, sending invoices, but your profits still a mystery. Some jobs crush it, others, you are wondering where the money went. If you are a contractor, like plumber, electrician, HVAC, remodeler, this is for you. Because construction accounting is not like regular bookkeeping. So today, I will show you how to track every dollar per job, get paid faster, and stop guessing about profits. Using the best practices top contractors are using in 2025 to stay in business and stay ahead. If you are still lumping all your expenses into one bucket, you are flying blind. Every job should be its own profit center. That means direct costs like labor, materials, subcontractors, indirect costs like fuel, insurance, rent, admin expenses need to be tracked per project with consistent cost codes. A 10,000 HVAC install and a 150,000 remodel should not carry the same overhead. If they do, you are either underbidding or overpricing. Job costing tells you exactly which jobs make money and which one are bleeding cash. Next, work in progress report or WIP. If you have got multiple jobs going, WIP tells you how much you have earned so far, how much you have spent, and how much is left. Instead of finding out at year end you lost money on that great kitchen build, we let you catch problems mid project and fix them before it's too late. Next is cash flow. Cash flow is king in construction and fragile. 82% of contractors wait 30 to 90 plus days to get paid. That's 280 billion in late payments last year. And here is how to fix it. Milestone billing. Tie payments to deliverables like foundation pour, progress invoices. Don't wait until the end. Invoice reminders and online payments. QuickBooks users get up to 4 times faster payments. Track readiness separately so you know what's coming later. And screen your clients before you bid. Build structure into how and when you get paid, and cash flow stops being a nightmare. Another is budgeting and reporting. Compare your budget to actual numbers every single month. Why? Labor costs creep, materials spike, and if you are not watching, all profitable job can turn negative fast. So use monthly project P&Ls, WIP reports, real-time dashboards from QBO or Builder Trend. If labor is 20% over budget, that's a pricing problem or an efficiency problem. But you won't fix when you don't train. Okay, another one is accrual versus cash accounting. Cash basis accounting is when you record revenue when the checks clears. Accrual basis, you record revenue when it's earned even if unpaid. For taxes, many contractors use cash, but for managing the business, accrual is better. It shows gross profit in real time and matches cost with work performed. Best move, use accruals for day to day, convert to cash for taxes if needed. Next is billing system. Want to get paid faster? Use progress billing tied to work done. Create a schedule of values and bill by milestone. Automate invoices and reminder inside your accounting software. Accept online payments. Review AR aging report monthly. Follow up on anything past 30 days. And here is my recommendation: QuickBook Online, Contractor Edition, add-ons like Builder Trend or Housecall Pro. Even for bigger contractor, bigger shops, says 300 or Foundation. Look for job costing, week tracking, project specific reports, cloud access, mobile tools, and backups. Don't overcomplicate it, but don't cheap out on your books. Another one is compliance. Construction is regulated. Keep license and insurance current. File W-9s and 1099s for subcontractors. Track sales tax. Follow certified payroll and prevailing wage laws if applicable. And work with construction accountant, not just a general accountant. Construction accounting is project based, like job costing, every project, billing tied to progress, monitoring budgets in real time, using the right tools, and staying compliant. If you are tired of chasing payments or guessing at profit, let's fix it. Book a call at our website. We will help you organize your books, price jobs right, and keep more of what you earn. Hit like, drop your question into the comments, and subscribe for more real world contractor tips. I am Sankar from Builder Books. Let's build smarter together.